water on site. In beautiful Tampa, Florida. Wreck Diving Specialties. Right here in Tampa.
Okay.
It's going to be a search and recovery operation now, isn't it?
Can I use this to send the shark team?
You know, you could probably find some sharks scooped over in this right now.
Make sure you put your dive flags up.
About halfway up your calf, deep. Well, we're gonna be closed for a little while, at least until the water recedes. All right.
Tide will go out.
The good news is, if you do need scuba gear, just give us a call. I'll come meet you. Anybody wants to come and help? Come on with it. We'll welcome it.